Hello everyone, I will present you here a brief overview of what is our data hub and how to use it. So, after encoding your login information, you can have access to the European Solar PV Data Hub made by Becquerel Institute. On the homepage of the Data Hub, you have here a presentation of the different sections present in the Data Hub, going from a dashboard, market status, market forecast, price tendency, tenders, and industry. By clicking on the section of your interest at the left of your screen, you can have access to this section. So for example, let's move to the dashboard page. In the dashboard page is presented the solar market at the European level. Few major countries are highlighted, such as Germany, Spain, France, compared to smaller markets. The installation capacity is given under different forms. As you can see, quarterly values or annual values, but also historical ones and forecasted one is given. Sometimes, a distinction between distributed and centralized market is made. Now, let's move to the next section. So by clicking on the market status on the left of your screen, you can easily access to this page. On the market status page, and by selecting the country of your interest, you can have a complete view of the solar market of this country. Many information, but also many options are available in this page. So for example, you can select the segment of your interest, either distributed or centralized, but also the type of the market numbers. Now, let's have a look at the different information present in this page. On top of this page, 4 boxes are highlighting the situation in the selected country. A few graphs are showing the installation capacity from 2015 to 2021 in the selected country. At the bottom of this page, a selection of the latest news concerning solar in the selected country is shown. Now, let's move to the market forecast page. Similarly as the market status page, many options are present. You can either select the country of your interest, the segment of your interest, etc. And again, similarly as the market status page, 4 boxes are highlighting the forecasted situation in the selected country. Our forecasted installation capacity are given up to 2025. Now let's move to the last section I will present you here, the price page. On this prices page, many information are present. And so for example here, by clicking on this drop-down menu, you can have the weekly evolution of different component spot prices. And so for example, here you have the polysilicon spot price, here you have the wafer ones, here you have the cells ones, and here the module, and finally the monthly evolution of raw material ones. And then, at the bottom of this page, either the model structure price is given or the system structure price is given, going from residential system to utility scale system. And in the end, each graph can be downloaded by clicking here on top of the graph. Thank you for your attention and feel free to ask questions by sending us an email.